So we know that electric cars are good for the environment.
Yeah, no emission.
But there's something else I want to test.
What? Wow, this is so gorgeous.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. So what do you want to test?
I wanted to see if the Nexon electric can move without disturbing those birds.
So then I am going to drive because we can't do anything quietly.
So go on.
Okay.
Can you just roll your window down?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, it's really quiet. Just the water and the birds. Can't hear anything else.
No sound at all. Except for that. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you. To get to you.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
I forgot the line.